guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this week's video. I really appreciate all my new subscribers. Trust me, I thank each and every one of you. Thank you. And of course, I wouldn't go a video without saying a huge thank you to all my online friends. Sorry, you guys. You are wonderful. You are so gorgeous. Hey, you, that's you. No, really, you are. I have to explain the appearance, okay? I come to you looking like a scrub dog. There's a reason for it, okay? All right, I'm going to story you, okay? Wait a minute. Unfortunately, I was standing in the blazing sun. I need some kind of intervention. So I feel like my hair is in desperate need of an oil treatment. But what I really want to be doing now consistently is incorporating head massages. Now, when head massaging is done in the correct way, incorporating an oil mix is phenomenal for your scalp, promoting hair growth and all of that goodness. So for this week's video, I'm going to be talking to you about the benefits of head massages. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to do a real proper head massage on my hair and start incorporating it regularly into my routine. So you want to see that? I mean, you got to hang on, okay? Okay, then we're going to talk about this week's video because this right here is my hair looking. Okay, I was going to show you my hair, but I thought, you know what? It's going to look really bad for the majority of the video. We will keep it. We'll keep it like this, okay? So let's just go through some points how to properly massage our hair so that our hair can gain the best benefits in promoting new hair growth and stimulating the scalp. I'm going to be talking about the Ayurveda massaging, the proper way of doing it. But there are pressure points on your head that are actual indicators to your brain, sending off signals to your hair follicles to come on, let's grow. Just look at the Indian hair. These women have got beautiful hair. Now, these various pressure points in your head are called mamra points, and it's actually from a language called Sanskrit. I'll put it on the screen, okay? These particular mama points are used because they are a key point of boosting healthy hair growth. Massaging is amazing because you can do it anywhere, anytime, any place. Another benefit, which we have already mentioned, but it does help stimulate healthy hair growth. Another obvious one, massaging your scalp is really relaxing. And it's really relaxing because these mama points are likened to being like energy hotspots, releasing these beautiful endorphins that are like happy endorphins in your body. Massaging these particular points often brings correction and relief, not only to your scalp, but also to your body. Okay, so there are a few things you've got to bear in mind when you are doing a head massage, okay? So it's important that you do your head massages for a number of minutes. Personally, I think a good 5 minutes of intentionally using the mama points for a good healthy head massage is acceptable. So which leads me on to the next point, which is try not to do massages in a rush. You really should take your time. So probably practicing these head massages at night or late at night when you're about to relax, or use it for something that will help you fall to sleep. So right now I'm going to talk you through the different Ayurveda head massage points, the mama points that are going to be so beneficial to trigger the follicles. But first I need to shave my hair. It's so dry. It's so dry. It's had gel on it. It's been up in a bun, high bun, down there. The weather's been sunny, then it's been rainy. I haven't used the hair conditioning tea for about a week and a half now. However, I will be using the Amaré-Me growth oil. So I'll leave the details in the description bar, but I'm not going to be showing you the application. I'm going to be doing a separate video on the benefits of hot oil treatments. That will be a video coming soon. But for now, I'm just gonna apply the thing and I'll come back when, you know, I'll put all the pressure on points. I'll show you which way you put your fingers. Alrighty, okay, so I've got the oil on my hair and it's in my scalp. So the first mama point is in the middle of your head, just there, the center. Just a few fingers above your eyebrows, just here. This is a pressure point for stimulating hair growth. Now, when we're doing these exercises, we have to make sure we're using the pads of our fingertips. We are not using the nails. I mean, these are false nails. We're not using our false nails to stab, jab, or scratch our scalp or skin in any way, okay? We're just using the pads of our fingers. Grab your finger and start pressing and massage. Yeah, this is it, you know. This is where the music, you know, where is the spa music, eh? Put it on. Just give yourself a nice gentle, lovely massage. Sorry. So that there is the first mama point. Now for another mama point that's going to stimulate hair growth, we want 8 fingers, so 8 finger counts above the eyebrows. So my eyebrows are here, even though they are drawn in. So we're going to use in 2s, it'll just be a lot easier. So 2, 4, 6, 8. So this point right here, this is a pressure point. Might I add that this particular point is considered to be the master of all the senses. So we're just going to take both the fingers and I'm just going to circular movements, just massage. Remember, we're not hurting or denting our head, we're just massaging that. Bring the music, play the music, okay? Actually, that's really nice, and I do feel a tingly sensation. Now another mama point or sensory area for stimulating hair growth is at the top of your crown, right at the top, and it's about 12 finger spaces above your eyebrows. So we're just going to do that now, okay? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, so that is the top of my head, and this is the highest point. It mainly receives the least amount of blood in terms of gravity, which is why we see that it's common to see bald spots in this area. So let me tell you something, if you can really focus on this, that will be so good. And then we've got another area on your head, which is at the nape of your head. I'm hoping that I'm going to be able to get this in. Let me just turn around, okay? So for this area, we want 4 finger spaces above the nape. This is my nape area. So we've got 4 finger spaces. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have right here. So there are a few things that you can do. You can either just use your fingers just to massage this particular area, or apparently you can clasp your hands together and just press lightly this way. I personally don't see the benefit of that, and the other way you can do it is if you use this part of your hand and you just pat in that area. And the last one, which I found, which is amazing, and that is Balayam yoga. Yeah, Balayam yoga, that's right. And that is to give your fingernails some kind of yoga massage. Yeah, that's what I mean. I'm coming, I'm not talking rubbish, okay? Apparently in our wonderful bodies that have been created, right underneath our fingernails lies a direct nerve. Wonderful, God is so marvelous, huh? All Balayam yoga is rubbing your nails together. Like that. You know you're doing it right when you can feel this warm sensation around that area. Well, I've got to say my nails definitely feel warm. There is some tingly sensation. So I don't know whether it actually does send signals to my brain which stimulates the blood flow to my scalp. Who knows? And a fun fact is that there are studies that prove that Balayam yoga is probably the best treatment for hair problems. Kind of hard to believe, but this is what they are saying. And of course, if you do not want to do any of those Ayurveda massages, girl, you just stick to the one you know, okay? But constantly doing massaging will definitely increase your hair growth. Of course, if you're like me and you have one of these type of gadget where you turn it on, all of the little options of massaging your head, you know. Oh my good days. Sister, I got to go now. I got to go. I can't even talk. It's just feeling fine. Okay guys, I'm going now because you can see it in my eyes because I'm really sleepy now. And I hope that was helpful for you to understand a little bit more about the Ayurveda massaging. Okay, so I want to hear from you guys. Do you do head massages? Is it something that's in your routine, or have you got something new? Let me see. Do you know the yoga, or is there something else that you do? I'm tired, you know. This really put me in a chilled out mode. I'm going now guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you again in my next one. You take care now. God bless you. Bye.